Going to the potty, press the space bar. You used to be a baby. You couldn't walk and you slept in a crib. Your mommy would rock you and you played with baby toys. Babies wear diapers. Diapers. They don't use the potty yet. Their diapers get soggy wet. And stinky too. P.U. They have to have their diaper changed. Using baby wipes and a new diaper. Stinky poo. Yuck! The dirty diapers are put into the garbage, and the garbage men take them away. One day you get some presents. Hooray! You got a potty chair and a potty seat. The potty seat goes on the toilet. It's just your size. There's a step stool. The step stool helps you get up on the potty. Books about going potty. Reading books about going potty. And watching movies about going potty. Movies about going potty. Potty training toys. Practice potty training with your doll. The doll is wearing training pants. The doll needs to go potty. Pull down the doll's pants. Put the doll on the potty. The doll needs to go potty. Put the doll on the potty. Training pants. Wearing training pants. Big boy underwear. Wearing big boy underwear. Water. Drinking water. Drinking water helps you go pee. Potty Watch. A potty watch helps remind you to go potty. Bathroom. Potty chair. Pull down your pants. Sit on the potty. Or sit on the toilet. You can read a book while you sit. You're doing a good job. Sometimes boys stand up to go pee. You can use a toilet or a potty chair. You peed and pooped in the potty. Good job. Toilet paper. Get some toilet paper. Wipe with toilet paper. Wet wipes. Get a wet wipe. Wipe off the poop. Flush the toilet. The poop and pee get flushed away. Wash your hands after you go potty. Sink. Soap. Wash your hands with soap. Rinse the soap off with water. Towel. Dry your hands with a towel. Look at your potty chart. You get a sticker each time you use the potty or the toilet. Putting on stickers. Good job! You filled up your potty chart. Everyone is so proud of you. You get a reward for being potty trained.